phong ngày phát tập của ta là mình muốn ní cái ta cái theo cái pháo được coi để phát động nghe thì phí ní một pháo coi từ đầu programa có tại phía mô tô của tôi thế một là mấy phía phim đầu po phải lót pháo về mấy Siaosi tụi này formalo to home ai formal family Widow Fanao family một là mấy phía phim với ngay po của hi coi đầu program này phía phim này là phải đầu tư takia Reverend Paul Jensen phải phải cao cái absias coi ní absias Siaosi mana absias nó Siaosi một cái này về family tôi còn về cái asifa về cao asifa Paul để cái đặc quyền ngay housekeeping về cái format là cái in case of an emergency please make your way out the front door and out back there out to the front and we meet in the lawns front lawns. I don't think there'll be any emergencies tonight, but I just need to let you know. The ladies and the gentlemen's bathrooms are just on your right hand side as you come through the main entrance. And what else? Yes. After the main service, perhaps some of our Palangi members of the Wesley Roscoe Methodist Church, they may wish to perhaps may not be able to stay with us because Tongans, we like to have long services and long meetings. But if you're unable to stay, that's fine. The family have prepared a cup of tea for you in the main lounge at the back, so please, you're most welcome after the main service if you wish to make your way to the back and enjoy the tea, coffee, sandwiches that family have prepared. That's only for Palangi people here. The rest of the Tongan family in Kainga, okay, we're here for the long run, so our time comes later in the evening. We also have live video cameras. I think it's the page is Derek Kupu and George Fusitua, so they're going live to family and friends overseas, Australia, Tonga, maybe even America, tonight and this morning. So if you're joining us, welcome. Malo mula mai tàu phía phim câu bay phía phim tàu Feiloakimata Siaosi Feiloakimata Niumeitolu. But sorry, apologies for the hold up. So without further, after the main service, a couple of the grandchildren, Siaosi's George's grandchildren, have a little item, and you'll be. So, and then our aim tonight is to finish our services by 9:30. You're most welcome after that to stay for a cup of tea and some cakes and sandwiches which the family have prepared at the back. And before you leave, the family has also prepared a little takeaway pack. Uncle George was he loved to serve people and cook for them, and hospitality was a big thing for him. So we are just continuing on that tonight. So without further ado, I'll ask Reverend Paul Jensen to come on, lead us this evening in our worship. Thank you.
Malo Elelei. I'm afraid that's all I know in Tongan, so I'll have to go to school, won't I, and start to learn. But anyway, it's my pleasure to welcome you to this church. I've already been introduced, so I'm the minister for this parish. And so this is my first Tongan wedding that I've been a part of. Sorry, a Tongan funeral that I've been a part of. So first of all, I'd like to welcome George. George was a long-time member of this church, a very faithful man, well, before my time, when he was active. And so, George, we welcome you on this, your last visit to Wesley Rossville Methodist Church. I'd like to welcome Tema and the family of Siaosi to our service tonight. Our thoughts are with you at this time, and we just want to let you know that we love you and we extend our love to you. And if you're visiting, welcome. Please feel at home here. This is an open place, and so just enjoy being here and enjoy the fellowship with each other and make this your home for tonight and through to the service tomorrow. George Siaosi has departed this life and is entering a new dimension. So we want to celebrate Siaosi's life, his full life. We want to commit him to God's care, and we want to support those who mourn. Thank you for listening, hearing me out, and I'll hand over to my colleague, the Reverend Sifa Puli, and he will conduct the rest of the evening. Thank you.
Tabuga fiu Thomas Mafiu. One adio tau rodo yono lau mari. Patapa ki he whānau na whamapuna hau eit. Tapatia kawa atoa. Sikakala o loto hangan. Taure pamahanga apure. Patapa atu ki he whahu. He whatamuke e pekia Siaosi, Feiloakimata, Niumeitolu, Heimuli. Uni whatatahi tau tōki pōi. Whatapu atu ke te meret. Ang mga mantis. Ke lupe mo Sept, ang mga Simone, ke whakamakapuna. Tapuatu ki he Sept wata gai ngalotu koe ni. Ia isa ke u whatapu mo ki whai whakau. Tapuatu mo wei. Reverend Paul Jansen. Whatapuatu ki Sept wata, ka Judith. Kai o maa gai ngalotu. O Wesley Rossville Methodist Parish. Tapuatu mo tua. Kai ma ai family ko to be mo mi ai ni he pon Ka mo tolu foki o mo me mai ki ngalu ke ke o apo o Siaosi. O ko wa te patap. Tau kau patah I po ko. Neo tau patah mai ko. Ka tau mama. Tau fatai ki o tua, ko te ue ta. Tau le patoi mai ko la. Tau kau patah I po. Kau pada habis mulai kau bermawen, mana tanda lagi motor. Pak keluar belau menu belau tapua di belau keluar pun. Thank you all for the words of welcome and greeting, welcoming Siaosi. Tema and family, and also Siaosi extended family. Members of this parish, of this church, and friends who have come from far and near to take part in tonight's Auck night service, to celebrate the life of a unique person, Siaosi. Siaosi, he was a unique, a special man. He was different from his siblings. And so I see tonight, as we come together to celebrate Siaosi's life, Siaosi was a unique person on his own. The attributes we saw in him makes him a special and unique person, Siaosi. So tonight we'll sing a hymn in Tongan, then I'll read one of the Psalms, and then I'll have a short reflection just to give a word of encouragement to Tema, children, grandchildren, and for us all who are gathered here tonight to mourn the passing of Siaosi. And then the floor will be open for those who would like to pay any tribute or memory, remembering Siaosi. You'll be welcome to come forward and share your memory or paying your tribute to Siaosi. And after all that, then we will do the final devotion, which I'll be taking the one as well. And then we will conclude our weekend service with that. That will be our whole program for tonight. Tau hiwa hono ni mangau I kong fuma tahau e kimi I mahiwa taha. Ko hai hataha e piki mau pe, si supe, si a kai ngā I kai ngāwe, si supe. Si supe tene whai ki osi, si toki ofa ta e motu e. Tene tū mau hi aha kowi, si supe. La he fai mo e filifoki, si supe. Iro ia e tau whake kuki, si tau mei humue. O I ke vai pe kai turi, si supe. O hai a tai tau mi o fi, si supe. Siaosi, ke mau hatu ke tākaua, si supe, e ka anga whakatua, si supe. Ako ne kau e te apisia, hau te wai o puke puke, to kau me a whare ia, si supe. Siaosi. Kai hono I kai rei, ke hono I kai sai, ke no nofu hakai ngā o whakatafo. O hange koe lolo le rei nai ling ki he uru, nai hifo ki he kawa e, ki he kawa o erone. Nai hifo ki he kola o hono kofu. Hange koe hahau o hea mone, nai hifo ki he ngahi mo onga o sayone. Ko duia, nai tutuonia ia si hoa, hono tāpui ki nā, koe mo ui o taingai. Amen. Tawang ke lau maari o tua, ke le whai tāpui kena, ai wholofola ko tau whanungoa. Ko whatau pika kia o tō mawhi, e uni a whio I o tau rotolotonga, ke o kore ke uhuwhanga o tau whatapu ko a whaki, ka taka te au ke wai peha ki poupou, o mawhalurang, wholofola ko tau whanungoa, na hau ko ha whakarelu, wa whakanonga ki he uitoka ka maa whanau me whamangapuna. Pe fo ke whahu, ko motua mai kāinga loto o Siaosi, o tau kau whatahi he pōni. Tamai Siaosi ka te au, ki mua I ne pau hiki na wai kau hen, tau hiwa, tau hiki me heni ki otaku I tani kini, ke o tō whoki mai heu e Siaosi ki whoki mai ki okalani. Ia, tamai pe Siaosi, ka ki alha whi kū pei, pa mai ni ka aha aho, hoko ha mela te au ke whoki mai te. O whai au mea whakaeki. Ia, o whakolo ka te au, ko whoki mai pe au, o ma whio whio me Siaosi, ka tukitari ui a Siaosi. Ka mutari roto a Siaosi ke uheni pe. Ia ha mutari e hono ui, e hui e o tua, o whai ke te ia. O pure a mui o whapea o tua. Ia puru kau he whakapetari a ulau maari, e kumau e whainga maari e, kau he whapapa o e whapeta, ko I ke moi a Siaosi, ko e tahi tangata Siaosi. Keha Siaosi me ki, mo I toenga a hono whanga toko ua, ia mo I ku whawhine. Ia runganga a Siaosi. Taulahi ma whio mo Siaosi. Pea ku pehea e ku pia hu kau he kātoanga me whamanatu e mo e Siaosi he ka whini pa kou. Tō mai whorofora ko eni he punehanga o whakahau ata. Pune whaka I misi ai kou mo ui a Siaosi. Ai sāmi te au tolu, ka sāmi o ino whakai ngā mo ino whakawhamiri. Sāmi te au tomo whumātoro. Wakai kono I kai rei. Pea hano I kai sai. Koe whatataha e kāinga. Whatataha e kāinga he whiohopani. Whatataha e kāinga he merino. Whatata kai ngā he fia. I mea ko tōpe. I longa ha kai ngā whakata. Ia tape maa whana. Ai whio whaki. Ia ha kai ngā tuka whamiri unau. Si nau whakata hapea ku mori atu. Ai maa whana o whikau aki. Ia whai mo fuarewa mo vete vete. Ko ia buhangai he whatu sāmi te au tonga fu mātoro whotu, he kamatanga pe whatu sāmi e wakai, hono i kai rere, hono i kai sai, mou sio, mou mamat, hono i kai whaaof, hono i kai mata rere, ka whataha i kai ngā. I he melino, ka mua whioko whana. Nā tuia Siaosi ki he whakakau ko ia. Rane tui i he nofo mau ruta, kia moi nofo whikoi koi, ai kai ngā pa moi whamiri. Ina nofo mo te ma, i wāhi a tu si veke rea Siaosi, ai haupe rea te ma. Ko tare Siaosi ko iyo ke ia. Kana manaka Siaosi no whatata hai mai. Ano whamiri pa moi kai ngā. Pe tatau pehe moi nofo ai ki kai alo tukoni mo Siaosi ko ini. Nai Fisiki tua pe. Fisiki he ni mo ui. Ai mahuinga oe whatahataha ai kai ngā. Ke Siaosi pakahamea ke ai whakakau pa mui tui. Kita tui kehe pe kehe ke ta wārerei ma ta whiofa aki. Pea ta nofo mirino. Nofo kau mo whakakau mo tui. Nofo mo tui mo whakakau. Kehe pe ki o ta whelongo. Te ta whelongo aki. Ta whike whirea aki pe. Ta kehi ko whani pe. Te ta hai ngā hei koloa nei hohi pe tau e Siaosi. Ine mo i ki Siaosi ko ini. Pena ki ko kuke ma uta mo toi ko i anofo. Aki ka ngalotu ko ini. Te mo i Siaosi. Wakai hono i kai te. Pe hono i kai sai. Ke no nofo wakai ngā whataha whoki. Pe ke hui ka ni tau tolo hei wapini. Kia tema ka e o mā antis. Whanau, whamau huna hoko atu. Te tau tauhi ai koroa ko ia. Ke puka pōke a mama luta o nofo. Ke rei peke tau masiwa. Ke rei peke oe fuku e whee tau a ko. Kau ka mori ai whakataha e kai ngaha whioko whanipa koe whamiri e mo vete vete. Tau whamoi peke tau tolu kia. Koe ke lau hea kore rea puke puku. E mama luta hau whaapiri. Tau kai lau he tu maari e puke puku. Ai whikoi koi halo to whare ko mosias. E ko lawe i alo ngāwe Siaosi. Whamoi te vete ai Siaosi ko ngā ka wako le rei. Wakai tuki mauni mare ka whepi nei. O mahunga mea ko le rei ia. Me mahi Siaosi. E kau loe. E kau countdown. Kau loya mo kau ndeni unau ilo ai koloa na puke Siaosi. E mahuinga ai whataha ai kai ngā he whiko whani. Ko ia ai matai koloa, tuk tānaki mai a, tānaki mai me koloa, ko mea i whika tō whika whāki mui. Ko matai koloa, ko i lut, e rito e ngai nofo a kai ngā. Ko whataha ai kai ngā, i e whiko whani ka mai me. Kroa ia nai hāme whiski tua he mui a Siaosi. Hina ilo Siaosi, ai lot whatalo ai ka si su hai a sio le vai, kong furu maafitu. Whaiako ia si su pa te teo ke ne pekia, ko ne lot whamui mui pa pe whanonga ki he kolosi, sio le vai maafitu, kui loa ko ne lot whatalo ai ki. Ane huvekena ni kawa ko nga kinau taha be mua e tamai hangi ko taha. Kia si isu te deo ke heki whanonga me mamani ko ine ke tamai ka masiwa be ni kawa ko nga ko koloa be ke nau taha. Ke nau whio ko whare. Koloa wha o tua e. Wai tau maharea Amune whamatala maho inga o i tau whioho whani o i tākanga i tau whohe. O ku ngā holo hawak i koe whulau hawak o ka taha ai whohe ai kawa alo. Koe kuloa ia nei mawa Siaosi. Ko hike Siaosi me hola tau loto mai. Ko te tatau mai, ko te tuku mai ko loa koe ni. Ki e te koe mareti ka e mai whanau. Te umotua ka e mai whamiri, ke whahu, e mo tau toa. Siaosi, he was a man of hospitality. We've heard from Rodney. As one of the unique attributes of Siaosi is his sense of welcoming people to his house. And I was one of the recipients of his hospitality. I don't know how many times he cooked for me. And he would come here when I worked in the office here, when they still live in Mangloska, Wesley. The house is not far from here. And Siaosi would walk out here and invited me to come to his house, and we had lunch together. Not once, but many times. And I'm sure it was not only me, but some of you are here tonight have been invited by Siaosi to his house and to taste his cook, his many dishes that he cooked in his house. And it is to do with his understanding of his faith, especially the Psalms that I have read tonight, 133 of the Psalm. How good and pleasant it is when the kindred are gathered together in unity. When family are coming together in love and in peace. Siaosi offered his hospitality because of his understanding of this psalm. It is pleasant, it is good when people are coming together in love and unity. He showed it to his family, to Tema and his children and grandchildren. He showed it to this church, and he showed it to his wider community. So Siaosi has departed from us, but he left with us a legacy that we must treasure and preserve, to be hospitable, to work for unity. Divided we fall, united we stand. It's something for you and for me to carry and to transmit in our own families and into the next generation, so that your family that George left behind continue to be strong. And I believe that's what you want. And that's what I believe that this church would like to carry and to continue with their ministry in this church, to work together with Paul, our minister here, supporting through our united effort and energy as we join together in the work of God that Siaosi believed that is the purpose of his life in this world. Koia koe ki pou koe mo whaatlahi tau tolo ki kōni. Ia lahi ngai tā noa me rie o Siaosi ka mo lavei bea koe ko lahi no me mahe kōni. e nau wahe ai ngai mana tu meri o Feilabe wa Siaosi o ia Siaosi kai katanga tai na pie ha pa inga pe kai tau tanga Siaosi tau mo pe ku i mui mau pe Neon ka Siaosi ka matai ko Siaosi ko ni na mana pe Siaosi ke no mo pe se mui tai pe dai tau ilo nganga Siaosi ba mo tale ni na ma se tempo tu Siaosi bi mu ke o kiwa ka fata ni ma Siaosi o lu pa de ui mo ni fa nau ma ma hio fata ni ma fa o Siaosi ko puna ka Siaosi alo kono api ma fa kai e o api o fa bi be hori so Siaosi i hori si ko na pi to ta kai ma fa o Siaosi ma o pina e fa o ki baka kala Siaosi ki mua ko dai ngo ni o si ba fa lo ka ai hori si e ko fa ki ba ko Siaosi ko e Siaosi ko ni pa de fa ve mai ani fa na ka do ni fa na pa ti se ko be lu ya mo se si ko sai mo na fa fo ki mo an ku na la fo na to ko ma ke na ma ki na to lu ya e hi ba ko mo fa ta ka be be Siaosi hi ko mo ni ma ko lu e ko hi ko mo ta mai o lu ni ma ya he gave him with father. United we stand, divided we fall. The higher la hita mo Siaosi ba manat meri piai to wang ki hoka kro ko ia ko farero ko tau to. Neo ko hika Siaosi ko o me kro le lei ki tau ponoma mo ia. Tau to hoko tai ponoma. Ange ko la ve ko Siaosi ko tanga hi mo. Siaosi, he was a singer. He was one of the song leaders of this church. And some of the Sunday mornings, Siaosi would lead us in the songs of praise. And we're going to sing one of Siaosi's favorite songs, The More We Get Together. And in our meetings here, always Siaosi, when we arrived here, and Siaosi was already here, and we had the first one arrived in our meeting, and Siaosi would say to me, Reverend, I see our people are coming late to our meeting. But this song reminds me the importance of coming together. And he would mention to me this song, The More We Get Together. I'm going to sing that song, which Julie is going to put on the screen. And I'll try my best to lead us on that song. I do not have the good voice that Siaosi had, but I'll try my best to lead us. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. So, you just sit on your seat, and I'll try my best to lead us. So it's going to be a very simple tune. And I'm sure some of you are familiar with this song, one of Siaosi's favorite songs. So the tune is called like this. The more we get together, the more we get together, happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. I'm your friend, you're my friend, he's my friend, she's my friend. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Thank you so much. You are a good choir. I think Siaosi is quite smiling from his coughing, and he would say to himself, I love to hear those people singing the song I love. And they sang it really well. Without word. Tua ma. Tiona koe arifa koe pa moe omik. Ko koe ai kamata anga Kia o koe ai ngata ama. Anoa he tohi o whakatipuna e fuafuanoa kia molala, e tunga e rola tō. O whakapulau mai e ke whakahi vai. Kia ke whora ke mama mai. Penai mama. Whora. Ke tua la ma ngai whetu. Te whai ai mai mua whatu bea Fiona o ke whamama e vai, pa mi he whanua. Vai e vai, he atapo, vai, e kunga o e mamani. Pea ki whakateu ngāki. Ngāhi nau, koe ngāhi mea mō. A hono a kau me uru whanua. A hono manu totoro. A hono manu pōna, kai au māta hena hono ngāhi mea mō. Pea ka whio tā kore rei. E aho no ora ke whinangaro ke ngāhi tangata I o tatau ke emisi a Fiona ngāhi ai tangata me he efu o kere kere. Ke hoki ai laumari e whakamoui ai laumari o ea Fiona ke to hoko ai koto e fu koe koto moui. Koe mana wai na ke fuaki mai. Koe mea au whai na ke fuaki mai I tauru mei tuai. Pe mau iai. Tō ngai mau whatataha mai. Ke maru e whare koe ni he whiwhiri. Koe mo ui na ke whakaro aki. Aho mau taha. Koe whoha o whamiri. Whanau tā mau sias, koe tangata I whanoa. Whakaloa ki ai mānau mo ui. Ang mōni a siope, ko si hova nane fuaki, ko si hova kone tōtoa tu. Mālo I ai te. Ai, hua whao si hova. Io koia ai tāpuaki. Ko mau ina si ai. I hono tale e nieti, mo hono mea, mo ne toanga mo ui. Nane whakalo aki. A hono ki whamiri mo te mā. A hono urunganga. Ai ne toanga mo ui. Nane whakalo aki mo to whare o isi askoeni. Kai maa vai ne mo nia. A hono urunganga. Nane manako ke nofo whio o whani. Mo I tau I wahanga tai nofo a kāinga. Io, nane hau koe tamai o eki o tangata I whanua a Siaosi. Nane whai whatungia I he whanua I a hau eki kau maha mata koe. Nane ofa, whamiri le ofa, he loto pero ofa he whanua. Koe tāpua kia nā ke omi ko whākalo aki, ai moe sia sipa ni whākalo aki. Ai whio nā mau whaipo ia. Koe whāwhau mai e teia, ai ngai tō whia. Kona manawa pa mo te mā. Ke ni pou mo teu ki nau tōru. Ke tapul taha e arau ki ai ilo mo e mama e whanau koe ni. Ko nau lawa e ngahi kohi whamoni ako. Ke nai whewhe ai ako a Siaosi kana ne teu I ne whanau koe ngahi to whia na ke whakolo aka no loto whare. Ko nau whaipatungia I he whanua koe ni. I he poto mo ilo he pou na e whai he tamai koe ni. Pia o mau whaapitai atu. Mone rea o mau whanua, mau pake ai whaanga koe alaha whe. He hoko ai mo e whanau koe ni mo e whaanga pōna. Ai tanu mā ki a unganga mo I mui a Siaosi. Ke ho ata me he nau tōnga mo ui, ai whakaake aki mui, ai whakatō ki lalo, ai whai māte aki, whai osu kia verenga. He whamiri, I he sias, kia mo e whanua. E koe a koloa mau whatahata mai ke manat miri e. Ki ho whatupu na ke whaki mai ko mau whala. Si Siaosi. Feiloakimata. Niumeitolu Heimuli. Kau whataha mo e whaipu kau. Potungoweni, Reverend Paul Chanson. Kai o mai kai ngarotu. E whabitai atu, mālo e mau tangata le dei. Hoko e tangata malanga, hoko e kai ngarotu koe. Nā ngau e au ngā whanau le o. Ke malanga e ngomo le o Jesus Christ. E nai tongia e ngahi loto. Ai tō lahi nai awhi mai i whai ngarotu koe. O nau kumia ke ilo o whai awhi ona. Kai koe me fōki ka hono leo na ne whai ake ngahi hiwa tāha api o sai o ne. Ke hike langi o e awhi ona. E nā ilo bēsi Siaosi e aho. Te ne tariu ki e awhi ona he kai tui whai ha malanga he api koe ia. Api koe teu i maki mau koe. Koe mea u whai api koe koe hiwa me. Pena teu bēsi Siaosi o lori o. Whai aki, ai whakawhi au ki haki oni. E aha wa moe po. Kai te whahalau wako i ai. Kai te whahalau pot. Kai te whahalau whai te tau. Aku ko ia kulau hiwa me. Koe kareni te o Siaosi me hoko atu. Ai whahalau ni langi o ia ki ona. Ko mau whakoloa. Whaloa toa reo tua. Ko i ko temo, tā mai whanau mai whamapuna. Anō ngai aki ona mo mahi tāi ta mai ko toa kwetu ke ne hoko mai. Ko hange e ko haloro kuring ki hatai hou ke ne whakarelu. Whawhi maari. Tua na wamana ki, ko ri taula i te koe si su. Aina whalala kia Siaosi, ka ose ai mo uini. Tene mawo e mo i o tātata. He nani tui kia te koe ku ke wholawhola mai ko au peka toi tōpa mo i mo ui. Ilo ngai au tui piki tai kia te au neam kope kia. Ka tene mo ui pe. Koko mai ai wholawhola ko eka whakareo. O kai kuna mai te kuna e mo ui. Ia sisu klais nani pe kia ka mau mo ui ai. O maulota ai ko hiko e Polo kala moi ko ini ngai manat miri ngai wah mo talalot. Mo hoka ki ai tawang lau mai ki hok mai. Oke falelo mo ma hilo to pa holo mai ta ko to. Mo ke no mo tu miri mo manat. Dikini mo fai ko. Ko mi abi be. Kolangi ko ya. Ko ga tro ki mau to e pada mo ta mai e ki. Ko ai le ko malo e afiona. Kio mai o mau tua mau no fata te ko fa nau. Ma ho pare ga toi mai ani wa fa si su e nane ako mai ko mau kalot ki mau he. Mau ta mai te wan a ma. Mai ho pure ke vai ma. Ne ko e tangi ke ko ma. Fa mai. Ke fa Kore beke u whangata te talo atapo o sono awhaki. Kulawa e Feiloakimata. Ia, te whaiga maari e koe ni, mi he waha taimi koe ni ke tau Feiloakimata e whai he hiwa tolu noa. I watarewa ki he Niumeitolu e whamiri me ngai kaungame. E ngai manatu meri ke Siaosi, talalot, te whaiga maari. And for those who are coming here tonight to take part and have something to share, to pay tribute to Siaosi, as you remember him, to share memories of true Siaosi to you. The floor is open. Please, nice talk. I know that children, grandchildren have an item to share. You can come forward whatever time it suits you to come forward. Koe mea taha, I'll do for Aussie Hivato Noa Koe. For non-Tongan speakers, you're welcome to come anytime to share your memories. Thank you so much. Rodney, come and use this.
Papa was known by many names: Siaosi, Uncle George, Grandpa, Dad, Papa. Hi, my name is Maya. I am Papa's third grandchild. I was excited to go to Nana's and Papa's house for school holidays, but when I woke up, my mom told me Papa was in heaven. I was shocked and sad, but I remembered that our family in heaven would look after him. I will always remember Papa as a wonderful man, as he had a heart of gold and always filled the room with joy. One thing we had in common was that we were both cautious people. I will miss Papa's smile. I will miss his hugs. It's clear to say we will all miss you, Papa. And let's celebrate his long-lived life with the last salute.
Hello, my name is Tomaka.
Hello, I'm Edward. I am Siaosi's second oldest grandchild. And I'm here to sing a song that Grandpa really liked. He would sing to us about. It's called Whisper a Prayer, and I'm here with my cousins to sing it.
Cousin and brother.
Whisper a prayer for morning, whisper a prayer at noon, whisper a prayer for evening, so keep your heart in tune. God answers prayer in
your heart and true. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Edward, and the grandchildren, Dormaka. I'm glad that the legacy of Siaosi's gift of music will carry on by Edward and Dormaka and Meafkeiki, because Siaosi, when he was unwell and seriously sick, Siaosi asked him to be an assistant for him when he wasn't able to come. And so they started to come and lead our services here, Meafkeiki, Edward, and Dormaka. So I'm so glad that could hear you, Edward. You can sing on your own and carry on that wonderful legacy of your grandma, Siaosi. So I'm sure Reverend Paul is smiling that we will be not shortage of song leaders, that we will continue to have young song leaders coming up to replace those who are passed away. Ko whamaloa, whamapuna, mo tau he kolo rei a mo kui. Ia ko kolo ia ke puke whamiri, ke pore ai tai whamiri. Ai reo ke whai whalang lang o tua. Ia ko ia ku whamaloa ke whamapuna Siaosi. Ko tui whulau rea Siaosi mo whie maari e hoko hoko anu no tarea. Ai whao hiwa, ka mo hiwa. Ai whao hiwa whakalotu, ko mo hiwa whakalotu. Ko ia e whakoloa e whiwhi. Ko e taiminu a tānga tā, tau whiwhia tau ka whataha mo whaikau, mo iloa, tu neau, a whamaloa e whaikau, e bisope, mea mai tau ka whataha e pōni, ia whakoloa ke whamiri, ka maa pōke kau ngā nesi o te ma, ngā uheni he pōni, malo te kau te si, mo mea mai ke kau whataha mo te ma, pehi kai halotu mi vai mo dia, malo a mo mea mai tau kau whataha, kai maa whamiri, ka opet, kai maa whamiri, malo a mo mea mai. Koe tengu ma whataha no mo Siaosi, e tānoa Siaosi o tala mai ai hoko koe whamiri o ona. Mei kamata pe me hihi ko haua, te au ki haa ano. Maha ni tāno ki haa ano, umari ki motua haa ano. Ka koe tangata no, hako kulawe ko tangata o whamiri. Ka te ilo pihono whamiri ko pe hihi ko alua ki haa pai. Pena pore ai mo e Siaosi. Naka ki fufu e Siaosi no konga koe ki haa ano, nongo ki motusi. Whaare hoa kirifi e kai mea panga. Ni hoa whakatapu a kirifi tai mina ki mo ia tapu e mo kirifi. Pe whakatapu a kirifi e. Pea tapu ki loto koro mo tua. Ko Siaosi na te tala pe Siaosi no a ano. Pea ko ia koe whakaroa ia Siaosi. Ko whakamaari e koe ni, tuwa ki lotona. Pea kaha kua ni manat merie. Pe tau koka toi pe. Ki au ke taimi. Ki tau tuku whairon tuku pe haa pea. Ai hongon furu. Chai vene fai kau. Ai loa ko hamea ku fi lawe ki ai. Ko kau mo mai fo ke tai mi ko ka we ka kau ko ni. La la taka na mo Siaosi lo tu alofa. Pena to kia ki ro tu. Ku tau ke fi tau ma o hene vai ke kau. Pa mana te ki Siaosi. Ko ia ko mari ko o fa da ki lo tona. Ia mana te ke mo ia tamai o to Siaosi. Ko tangata lo to mo tua. Ko to tangata me fo mi he one. Ko to tangata me lausi. Ko anga ma fo la mo ia Siaosi. Tangata mai fitu pana ni plau ka wa no ka inga no fa. Ko ia ki pa ha be ho wa be tau. Tau ta no mo ia Siaosi ko fa ko wa ko hi ko pom pe ja pa ta no be ni. Ko tau malanga be pom ko pon fa ma ri ia. E vai vai ai. O manat meri ki Siaosi. Maro pi. O me mai be ki mai ko ni o mawe. ngā ko lo Heimuli. Moana pita historia mo ratata to te kau a Siaosi. Kahe upena mau whai ka ke ilo kliti. Ngai taimi na mau ke yako inu ai. Mau inu ko buli buli ko Siaosi ka ke ilo kliti. Auck mau nightclub. Como como Siaosi eva nightclub una hange ya ha chaperone ke ka mo pati mo pila kelo. No ka ole ka ko girl na mau no foi happy. Tako ke taimi ni mau faal mo lit ke na lit e poni. Ke na mau ngā pori mau do lia. Ye ngā we shipwreck. Pa Oscar ngā we falai te pa mau kamata mau inu ai. Pa mau e peke nightclub. Na fu nightclub I kolo ko I ka Pepper Mills. Mau maheni ma do pa mo e futama head security. Ku mau ai peke ka man ka ma ko mo he ngana ta fakita. Mga fusia mo ru ko ai he ko mau ma do ta ko tu mo he ka do ja ta ai. Pos ko na ko ka mai. Toki momente mau vai di fora o weekend o se na mari mo tema. Que magi frente ma dole ko Patrick e travage ta mo no mari ko o he papa te pasas leva fei. Pa ko que weekend ko robe ho ma pe no mo party ai pa ko sa do nya pa vo vo. Mo fare e ka tamba. Tana ko sifa ki he tana na ke siasa yen ya mo ka tonga ina ma ke ta fa no mai o fa no sa ke ni si ko nga we ko va ko ka fu fa no ma Siaosi ye ni si ko te ya se ke ma na fu mo te vitua mana me ka na fu ya te mai sa mo mai mo se ke mo ngi hen ko ngalo tu ni mo ka fu mo ha ko ye la ko sa la se ke mo ka lo tu pe kai ko danga bro my uncle street the seven it means a lot if you come with me ma se no problem ha la fa se ne pa de sa pa sa se pa se di introduce pega se di tu ko lo introduce ka que sea así. Oscar tapo aquello tú. Anyway, David tu knock me out the face. Kana frava ma chimpo o I henda sonne foi ta weta. Ko ma frava chimpo ko kai ma pa tere ko fa kau. Tu já George how much of guitar bagi ma gi Jimmy ha le ba George lo do it no Jimmy Oscar da fa ma kai na kai ke gi Jimmy na hangi pe gi garage ta ke ka phao na how me ai na ho ai do junior fa international medal he from Niumeitolu ka mo hemia hio le ma ka go international da do ki foi Jimmy hangi pe na hangi gi garage na lo to Siaosi pea mau ai peo mau ke mi ai he te mo ke kom ni wel ke wa fa no fulu pa ma foki mai pea mo me dali o na mau pit ma na ti ma donga pita se ye mo se ma South Africa ka nata ka na he me dali ai na ala pelo ta Siaosi ki fa ki pe ia ko fu mo te vitua